Welcome back. So we are going to be learning how to import grid lines from our model we made on AutoCAD. So I'm going to delete these ones we created. So I delete them, and I also delete the one on the y-axis and click OK. So we'll do that. I can refresh view and you see this place is blank. Okay. So click OK. So to import now, I will come to File, then you see the import. Okay, so we are going to import DXF of architectural grid, but before importing that, all we need to do is to close what we've done before. This grid, DXF grid, we need to close it because Etabs will not recognize it. Once it's opened, it will give you a warning. So we'll go back to Etabs, go to File, go to Imports, then DXF of architectural grid. So choose the location where you saved it. Okay, this is it. So now you have to choose the layer, and remember the name of the layer was grid. So you select this, global direction, leave it as Z, then lines shorter than 1, let it ignore this. So you click OK. So you choose a location you want to save. So open the, let's give it a new folder and say Etabs calculation. Okay, so we have that. So we open it, then inside it I can give it a name we want. So struct dive, that's the name of this project, or struct dive school, that's the name of this project. So we can see we've done this now. Now the reason why I was trying to edit that in the previous video was because we don't have something like this. But what we are going to do in the next video is we are going to modify this and work on it. So thank you for watching today's video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section.